Morning, it's day 5 on our Australia-New Zealand tour. Last night at midnight we landed in New Zealand. We crossed the ditch. Got to bed at 2 a.m, got a phone call at 6 a.m. saying, hey, from a police officer, cows from your farm are on the main road. So safe to say, I woke up ruined this morning. I'm running on 4 hours of sleep. I'm looking forward to meeting this client, to seeing her again. It was my first New Zealand client, so we've been waiting for this one for a while. And then I didn't expect the call this morning. So here I am, running on 4 hours, ready to change this business around. I got 20 staff I want to train, and I'm hungry for breakfast, so I'm gonna go get some food. If you're gonna go all in, go all in. This morning, I learned that I can't run a farm at this stage in my life and run Empire Blueprint at the same time. Things happen that are out of my control. That cost me way more than I could have imagined. Just do the thing and only focus on that. Doing the video on how I lost $24,000 on cows. Thanks. Waiting for an Uber that took 30 minutes. Welcome to New Zealand, JP. Making our way to Millbrook Kitchens. Fun training day, young staff, young team, a lady. Normally all of our clients are men, it's very typical. So this is the first time in New Zealand with a client, first time lady client, and she's very excitable, so I'm looking forward to it. She's also very, very nervous.
You too, great.
Come in, let's go.
How's it going?
Hey, how are you?
Good to see you again. Good.
You happy? How you doing? How's it going, JP? How are you? How are you, Poppy?
Good. Good.
I've met Anna. Hey.
This is JP.
How are you?
Good, thanks.
Lovely to meet you.
And you met
Hey,
Alicia.
Alicia. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Lovely to see you.
Why didn't you tell me I was going to be on camera? I should
Did you
I
know?
Poppy, we got an email from Poppy.
Alicia?
I would have
Did
done my
Poppy
hair.
tell you all?
I mean, as long as he doesn't do a close
No.
up like what he's doing.
Let's just together. We made it to Millbrook Kitchens. We've just done a walkthrough this morning of the awesome factory. If you have a look, it's a beautiful place here that's out in Rangiora, New Zealand, a beautiful small town. I'm actually really liking it here. I love the crew here. They've just come off this awesome weekend. So Poppy and Andrew, the directors of this company, do a lovely retreat once a year where all the staff get to go away for 4 days to their holiday house, which is a farmhouse. Everyone's full of smiles this morning. The vibe is right, the energy is right. I'm just about to head into a training session with Poppy. She's a little bit nervous, a little bit excited. Gonna get in there, spend however long I need to make her comfortable, and then we'll see what happens. Let's get to it. It's a steep learning curve.
Yeah. Like that, they were freaking out.
Yeah.
And now I'm like, no, it's all going to be good.
I was.
JP said it's going to be good. It's going to be good.
Poppy remembered from last time. One of my diva demands was a whiteboard.
Yeah.
Oh wow, we just finished training with the director of the company. It has gone way better than anticipated. We've also been able to help save her $2,000 a month on IT through somebody else that we've just met, which is awesome. They're able to have live files in Jobman, which we didn't even know was real up until 10 minutes ago. We're going to head inside and actually capture her emotion because she's so stoked. Not only have we come out and we're training on this amazing system, but she's also saving money from other things that we're doing with other third parties. I'm just really happy to be front and center and be leading the change and leading the charge. It also means now for Poppy and you guys that what I thought was impossible in the system, I just heard that we can push another boundary, which is Jobman files are now live.
Yep.
In the sense those documents, if they're on your desktop, can be worked on, and in Jobman they're always ready to go with the latest version.
Oh,
So
okay.
I've learned something new today.
It's
So-
a huge win.
And-
Huge win,
awesome.
isn't it? All over.
Massive.
Brilliant.
Absolutely huge.
Wouldn't have happened
Team
if you weren't here.
Just walked out finishing this morning session. Went outside, took a breath of fresh air. Just behind this door is the project and scheduling team, as you can see.
The latest, yeah, anyway. Anyway, so
They're all
we
waiting
have this
for me.
really big one.
We're going to get into training. We're going to talk to them about
Right, so I'll
how to
be
make the most of
away,
their time,
but what we
how to
wanna
set
do
target
in this
calendars,
session
due
is
dates, seed capacity.
I wonder
They get
if
to
I
learn how to actually make
create a
full
job.
use of the Jobman system. When we
Flow
built the
at
system,
Maxi
we built
Moving
out a
Hub.
huge ass workflow, and at times
So
it's not
now
entirely correct
I've
because there's so
got
many steps.
instructions.
We're
I've
sitting
got
here with the
structure
project
that I have
coordinator and
to
the director
delete the existing
to
flow
make sure
and
that we've actually
re-implement
refined the
new flow.
process and taking out what we don't need to only give them what they
Okay,
want. So
so
it could take
it
10
is
minutes,
wrong
it could
right
take 2
now.
hours.
So
We're all
I
here to
just
figure
want
it
you to
out,
create
and
a
it's
job
going to be
and
a
see
fun
if
one.
it's right.
Okay.
And then
When poppies progress to that point, the site install date, like we did with the... It never gets old how the mornings can start with the client being really nervous and really, really tense. And then now it's like 2 or 3 hours into the training, she's laughing, drinking third cup of coffee and already talking about having a wine tonight. So it just keeps happening every time that we do these trainings. People start off tense and nervous, a few hours later they're over the moon. I just want to keep doing this. Well overdue lunchtime. I'm absolutely thrashed. I actually came out to go for a walk, get some fresh air. We're here where there's this beautiful Millbrook kitchen. There's a beautiful brook somewhere behind here and there's a mill. Not sure what they do, but I know it's a beautiful setting. In any case, I'm thrashed because today is hard. Despite it being fun and exciting, there's a human reality that just says growing your business isn't easy and making manufacturing profitable can be really challenging. And at times, and I'm losing my hair, I pull my own hair out. But I'm running on 4 hours sleep, I flew to New Zealand, and I made a commitment to Poppy that we were gonna do hard together, that she wasn't gonna do hard on her own. And so hard is beautiful because I get to sit there, get hammered with all these questions that sometimes I'm unsure how to answer. I take a break, I breathe, and then I reassure them that there's a way through this. What I find happens is, sure enough, after going through the hard process and sitting through the mud together, we come out all the better for it. And then I get to step outside, enjoy the scenery, and actually feel like we did something great. And I know that by the end of today, what we've provided for this client, what we provide for you, is going to be better than anything you could have ever expected.
Yeah, well, I think
Yeah, imagine that date. That is
the correct channel.
let it go through the exact same process, but our time. Yes. Can you read English? Okay, Fred.
I never done that word.
Right? Yeah. I have brain pattern, and this is no disrespect to anyone. In fact, what a day. Just finished training the production manager. Earlier I was training the project management team. Now I'm going to head downstairs and train the factory. It's been go, go, go. This allows us to be a bit more in order to make sure that you're doing your part of the job to make it not showing. I'm back down. But I see a world where you shouldn't be going. Said that this is damaged. Mark broke this.
There's things on that she's got the tassels on.
How do we look? And is there any one message to anybody watching who's on the fence about Empire Blueprint that you can give them?
One message, been the best decision I've made.
That's
really
awesome.
has.
That's awesome. Was it 21 or 20?
Oh, it's pretty much bang on 20.
Legend.
Thanks, Poppy. It's 5:30 here at Millbrook Kitchens. I just finished a toolbox with the factory staff. We got in at 7:30 to 8 this morning. It's been a huge day. The team and the culture here is awesome. They've just come off this epic high where they went away for the long weekend and all they did was have fun together and not talk about work. What that meant for Empire Blueprint, when we were training on the Jobman software and implementing the software, they were excited, passionate, and really wanted to see how this was going to help them. They already can see the efficiency they're going to get. They already know how much easier it's going to make their lives. And actually the factory staff said to me, we can't wait to start using this because our job, our daily job is going to be so much easier. I'm excited and I'm thrilled to come back to New Zealand to do more of these trainings to help other businesses like Millbrook Kitchens get Jobman 2 up and running in their business, become more efficient, and just be the best at what they do.